Hey guys, it's time for another mystery box, but this one's different. This one is a digital mystery box. Nothing gets shipped to you. It's all images. They're new images, and they will be available for 2 weeks. This box won't sell out. You have 2 weeks to purchase this box. After a month, these images will be in Cricut Access. So if you don't have access, it's much better to buy the digital mystery box because you get it at such a lower price and you get it right now. And if you ever decide to cancel your access, you will still own these images because they are purchased. Any image purchased is yours forever. Here's the first one. It's DJ Inker's Nature in Bloom, 16 images. Oh, and this would be good for the joy cards or to make a stencil. Be nice to your bud. So cute. Oopsie daisy. Isn't that so cute? That frog is so cute. Look at that frog. You grow girl. Adventure awaits. That could be added to so many images. Ooh, I like that too. And look at that little guy. He's a hedgehog. So cute. And a leaf, so it can be added to any flower. Love that one. Let's see what's next. DJ Inker's Spring Fling. 19 images. Just for you. Bloom. This would be great on those big pieces of wood you put out at your front door. Or just to make a sign. Or to put it on a card and add some flowers. Be happy. That's a cute bee. Good vibes, spring break. Love the bird with the flowers in its mouth. Sunshine. Love my mom. Nice. These are just nice flowers to use in different projects. And the bee. He's so cute. And then we have Jen Goody. Jay Goody. Who is Jen Goody? Sweet Treat Word Art. These are awesome. Parfait all day. You're so sweet. Life is better with brownies. It's all about the cookies. It's a milkshake kind of day. Sprinkles on everything. Who needs an apple a day when you have apple pie? So cute. Love these. I run on chocolate. Okay, and then this one by Jen Goody. And I'm pretty sure she wrote these with her hand. So they're handwritten. They're not a font. But these are fun. I love art. Glitter is my favorite color. This is my funny shirt. Normal is boring. Cutie pie. Coffee, craft, and repeat. Do what makes you happy. Be bold. Follow your dreams. Every day is a new adventure. Hello, beautiful. I'm in charge. I like this huge yes. That's great. All my money is in my craft room. Jen is a crafter too. Friends don't let friends craft alone. Girl boss. There's only one you. Love that. Never give up. You be you. Oh, I love this. You are amazing. I love that. You are right where you're meant to be. You were born to do this. Enjoy the little things. Create every day. These are awesome. Now let's go look at the 12 fonts. And here are the 12 fonts. The one at the top right, Polymorph West Regular, would be great for stencils or to make insert cards. We have a writing font. And look at that Dreamland. I love that one. These are some great fonts. If you purchase this mystery box, you own those all forever. Okay, guys, now to get these images, what you have to do is you may have to sign out and sign back in. So click the sign out. I'm not going to do that. If you click sign out, you just sign back in. You know that, right? So how do you find the images? There is not a special thing that says mystery box. There is not a special area to get them. You have to find them in image sets. So what you're going to do is you're going to click over here on images, and then you're going to click image sets. And then you will search like DJ Inker's Nature in bloom. I think all you really have to do is DJ Inkers. I didn't add an S, but I don't think it matters. Here it is. And then if you want to use any of these on a project, you just click it and insert the image. Now, if you want to find another cartridge, you can do the same thing. So what we have to do is we have to click the back button, and we'll have to do it here. J Goody. And we have all Jen Goody designs. And Make Me Smile and Sweet Tree Art. Here are the two that she has. And you just click it and find the images you want to use for that day. Add it to your canvas. And Jen Goody likes to draw. So she draws in the center of her images. So if you like drawing images, these are great for that. Okay, guys, make sure you use the link in the description below. I do get a small commission when you use that link. No codes work on digital images, but you will get an access discount. And they're already discounted. You don't have to hurry. You got 2 weeks. Love you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.